Kaya
Ayoko, magpapapicture sana ako, pero sabi ko, kala mo kung sino? Yabang, wag na nga. Diyan ka na nga lang.
Kasi hindi naman sen.
Oo.
Grabe, ba't naman kasi?
And then, the second time we ran into each other, we were there for taping. It was for Magpakailanman. It was a drama. Yung Magpakailanman na GMA.
Yes, MMK.
Parang ganon. Yes.
Mm.
And that was actually one of my first rackets as an actress sa GMA. So I was really nervous. Tapos ang role ko pa doon, buntis.
Okay.
And wala akong line. Wala akong line. Tapos, syempre, ang partner ko doon is, of course, si Mark. And then, during that time kasi, we were both with different people pa. Mark had a different partner, and I had a different partner as well. But our characters were together. Like, I was carrying his child, the character's child. So we had a scene. Yeah, diba? Parang, oh my God, it's like, looking back, it's like, oh my God, nagkatotoo pala. But anyway,